Here we present the IGNOU subject BEBAE 181 MCQ taken from previous year question papers. Hope they will be helpful for you in clearing examination. 1. In which of the following reports books was sustainable development formally defined for the first time? 1. Silent Spring. 2. The limits to growth. 3. Our common future. 4. Agenda 21. Correct answer 3. Our common future, Brundtland Report, 1987. 2. The concept of sustainable development was formally defined in 1. Brundtland Commission Report. 2. Delia Commission Report. 3. Swaminathan Commission Report. 4. Maurice Strong Commission Report. Correct answer 1. Brundtland Commission Report. 3. World Commission on Environment and Development was chaired by 1. Herman Daly. 2. Gro Harlem Brundtland. 3. Maurice Strong. 4. Pierre Trudeau. Correct answer 2. Gro Harlem Brundtland. 4. Who was the chairperson of the committee that submitted the report titled Our Common Future? 1. Maurice Strong. 2. M.S. Swaminathan. 3. Gro Harlem Brundtland. 4. R.K. Pachauri. Correct answer 3. Gro Harlem Brundtland. 5. Which one of the following is not one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals adopted by UN? 1. No poverty. 2. Zero hunger. 3. Good health and well-being. 4. Tourism and travel. Correct answer 4. Tourism and travel. 6. Which one of the following is not one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals? 1. Life on land. 2. Life on air. 3. Life below water. 4. Climate action. Correct answer 2. Life on air. 7. Which of the following is not one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals? 1. Climate action. 2. Quality health care. 3. Quality education. 4. Gender equality. Correct answer 2. Quality health care. 8. Which of the following is not one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals? 1. Climate action. 2. Quality education. 3. Gender equity. 4. Reducing inequality. Correct answer 3. Gender equity. 9. United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, UNCED, in 1992 was organized at 1. Johannesburg. 2. Rio de Janeiro. 3. Stockholm. 4. Paris. Correct answer 2. Rio de Janeiro. 10. Earth Summit 2002 was organized at 1. Rio de Janeiro. 2. Stockholm. 3. Johannesburg. 4. Paris. Correct answer 3. Johannesburg. 11. Who developed the concept of determinism? 1. Alexander von Humboldt. 2. Lucian Feber. 3. Ellsworth Huntington. 4. Frederick Ratzel. Correct answer 4. Frederick Ratzel. 12. Who coined the term possibilism? 1. Lucian Febvre. 2. Vidal de la Blache. 3. Ellen Churchill Semple. 4. C. S. Holling. Correct answer 1. Lucian Febvre. 13. The attitude which assigns significantly greater value to human being than any other non-human organisms is known as 1. Stewardship. 2. Anthropocentrism. 3. Biocentrism. 4. Ecofeminism. Correct answer 2. Anthropocentrism. 14. The teaching that all living organisms have values and rights regardless of whether they are useful or not refers to 1. Biocentrism. 2. Stewardship. 3. Anthropocentrism. 4. The Western viewpoint. Correct answer 1. Biocentrism. 15. Which one of the following view towards the nature believes that all organisms on the earth have values and rights? 1. Anthropocentrism. 2. Ecocentrism. 3. Ecofeminism. 4. Stewardship. Correct answer 2. Ecocentrism. 16. Which of the following views towards nature was proposed as an alternative to patriarchal system of domination? 1. Biocentrism. 2. Ecocentrism. 3. Anthropocentrism. 4. Ecofeminism. Correct answer 4. Ecofeminism. 17. Who wrote the essay on the land ethics? 1. Aldo Leopold. 2. Rachel Carson. 3. Vandana Shiva. 4. Gro Harlem Brundtland. Correct answer 1. Aldo Leopold. 18. Which of the following views considers nature as a mother and that she cannot be tamed? 1. European view. 2. Indian view. 3. Sinaitic view. 4. North American view. Correct answer 2. Indian view. 19. Which of the following views consider nature as mother and cannot be tamed? 1. Indian views. 2. Western views. 3. Sinaitic views. 4. Both Western and Sinaitic views. Correct answer 1. Indian views. 20. Which one of the following communities does not have a strong sense of stewardship? 1. Urban community. 2. Tribal community. 3. Traditional agricultural societies. 4. Pastoral community. Correct answer 1. Urban community. 21. Communities residing near waste disposal sites receiving less economic benefits than the communities generating the waste represents. 1. Economic inequity. 2. Social inequity. 3. Procedural inequity. 4. Geographical inequity. Correct answer 2. Social inequity. 22. Environmental decision that affects certain ethnic groups represents. 1. Economic inequity. 2. Geographical inequity. 3. Procedural inequity. 4. Social inequity. Correct answer 4. Social inequity. 23. Holding meeting in a remote location to minimize public participation is an example of. 1. Geographical inequity. 2. Procedural inequity. 3. Social inequity. 4. Economic inequity. Correct answer 1. Geographical inequity. 24. Using English-only material for communication to non-English speaking communities is an example of. 1. Social inequity. 2. Geographical inequity. 3. Procedural inequity. 4. Economic inequity. Correct answer 3. Procedural inequity. 25. Which of the following is not a factor requiring new set of ethics for the environment? 1. Changing food habits. 2. New effect on nature. 3. New knowledge about nature. 4. Expanding moral concerns. Correct answer 1. Changing food habits. 26. Moving from pollution-intensive economic production to environment-friendly processes. 1. Environmental transition. 2. Technological transition. 3. Industrial transition. 4. Economic transition. Correct answer 1. Environmental transition. 27. Which one of the following is an example of human-modified environment? 1. Artificial lakes. 2. Orchards. 3. Crop fields. 4. Dams. Correct answer all of the above. 28. Which one of the following is a natural environment? 1. Crop fields. 2. Sanctuaries. 3. Forest. 4. Parks. Correct answer 3 forest. 29 The biophysical carrying capacity is population that can be supported by the resources of the planet at a given level of technology. 1 The minimum, 2 The maximum, 3 All of the, 4 Half of the. Correct answer 2 The maximum. 30 Maximum population that can be supported by the resources of the planet at a given level of technology is known as 1 Technological carrying capacity, 2 Social carrying capacity, 3 Biophysical carrying capacity, 4 Sustainable carrying capacity. Correct answer 3 Biophysical carrying capacity. 31 Which one of the following refers to a position in the food chain? 1 Community level, 2 Population level, 3 Trophic level, 4 Biotic community. Correct answer 3 Trophic level. 32 In food chain herbivores represent 1 Trophic level I, 2 Trophic level 2, 3 Trophic level 3, 4 Trophic level 4. Correct answer 2 Trophic level 2. 33 Primary consumers are 1 Herbivores, 2 Plants, 3 Carnivores, 4 Autotrophs. Correct answer 1 Herbivores. 34 Secondary consumers are 1 Plants, 2 Herbivores, 3 Carnivores, 4 Both herbivores and carnivores. Correct answer 3 Carnivores. 35 Level 4 of the trophic level could be occupied by 1 Rabbit, 2 Grass, 3 Grasshopper, 4 Tiger. Correct answer 4 Tiger. 36 In which of the following trophic level quaternary consumers are found? 1 Trophic level I, 2 Trophic level 3, 3 Trophic level 4, 4 Trophic level V. Correct answer 4 Trophic level V. 37 Which one of the following is placed at trophic level V in an aquatic environment? 1 Planktons, 2 Small fish, 3 Large fish, 4 Shark. Correct answer 4 Shark. 38 In an ecosystem, the decomposition of organisms takes place by 1 Phagotrophs, 2 Reducers, 3 Primary consumers, 4 Secondary consumers. Correct answer 2 Reducers. 39 Which one of the following is a decomposer? 1 Hawk, 2 Tadpole, 3 Earthworm, 4 Fungi. Correct answer 4 Fungi. 40 Decomposers are otherwise known as 1 Autotrophs, 2 Heterotrophs, 3 Phagotrophs, 4 Saprotrophs. Correct answer 4 Saprotrophs. 41 Identify the following types of food chain: goat nematodes, saprotrophic bacteria. 1 Detritus food chain, 2 Grazing food chain, 3 Parasitic food chain, 4 Aquatic food chain. Correct answer 3 Parasitic food chain. 42 Chemosynthetic bacteria are 1 Phagotrophs, 2 Saprotrophs, 3 Autotrophs, 4 Heterotrophs. Correct answer 3 Autotrophs. 43 In ecological succession, the final stage is termed as 1 Climax community, 2 Lichen stage, 3 Moss stage, 4 Seral stage. Correct answer 1 Climax community. 44 In ecological succession, the intermediate community stage is termed as 1 Grass community, 2 Serrae, 3 Moss stage, 4 Organisms. Correct answer 2 Serrae. 45. Which one of the following is known as the primary community? 1. Mosses, 2. lichen, 3. grasses, 4. shrubs. Correct answer 2. lichen. 46. In an ecosystem, energy is lost in the form of 1. heat energy, 2. saprophytic matter, 3. chemical energy, 4. rains. Correct answer 1. heat energy. 47. The main sulfur reservoir in the sulfur cycle is present in the 1. soil, 2. volcanic eruption, 3. hydrogen sulfide, 4. water. Correct answer 1. soil. 48. Sulfur cycle is an example of 1. gaseous cycle, 2. sedimentary cycle, 3. both gaseous and sedimentary cycle, 4. none of the above. Correct answer 3. both gaseous and sedimentary cycle. 49. The water cycle is driven by 1. global carbon cycle, 2. sun, 3. atmosphere, 4. hydrogen. Correct answer 2. sun. 50. In the biosphere, the main land component is known as 1. lithosphere, 2. hydrosphere, 3. ecosphere, 4. stratosphere. Correct answer 1. lithosphere. 51. In the biosphere, water component is known as 1. ecosphere, 2. atmosphere, 3. lithosphere, 4. hydrosphere. Correct answer 4. hydrosphere. 52. Life does not exist beyond meters above mean sea level. 1. 9,000, 2. 8,000, 3. 7,000, 4. 6,000. Correct answer 3. 7,000. 53. Which one of the following statements related to ecosystem is correct? 1. All ecosystems have well-defined boundaries. 2. Ecosystems are self-sustaining because they are well insulated from outside influences. 3. An ecosystem having autotrophs and heterotrophs but no decomposers could be self-contained. 4. Ecosystem represents enormous contrast in size and complexity. Correct answer 4. Ecosystem represents enormous contrast in size and complexity. 54. The organisms which are attached to stems and leaves of rooted plants are known as 1. Neuston, 2. plankton, 3. periphyton, 4. nekton. Correct answer 3. periphyton. 55. Unattached aquatic organism which lives at the air-water interface is known as 1. periphyton, 2. plankton, 3. neuston, 4. nekton. Correct answer 3. neuston. 56. Organism found living at the bottom of the water mass is known as 1. nekton, 2. plankton, 3. neuston, 4. benthic. Correct answer 4. benthic. 57. In an ocean, the zone showing the maximum variability in terms of temperature, light, salinity and moisture is 1. littoral zone, 2. pelagic zone, 3. benthic zone, 4. neritic zone. Correct answer 1. littoral zone. 58. In ocean, zone is shallow and rich in species with high productivity. 1. littoral, 2. neritic, 3. pelagic, 4. benthic. Correct answer 2. neritic. 59. An estuary is a transitional zone representing 1. a vast area of saline water, 2. a large number of organisms, 3. great productivity built on a large base, 4. unique ecological features and biotic communities, Correct answer 4. Unique ecological features and biotic communities. 60 brackish water ecosystems include 1. Stagnant inland lakes, 2. Impoundments, 3. Lotic habitat, 4. Estuaries and mangroves. Correct answer 4. Estuaries and mangroves. 61. An example of lotic freshwater ecosystem is 1. Lake, 2. Pool, 3. Swamp, 4. River. Correct answer 4. River. 62. Which one of the following forests has the most diverse communities? 1. Coniferous forest, 2. Temperate evergreen forest, 3. Tropical rainforest, 4. Subtropical rainforest. Correct answer 3. Tropical rainforest. 63. In coniferous forest the soil is 1. Acidic and mineral deficient, 2. Very rich in mineral nutrients, 3. Basic and mineral deficient, 4. Moderately basic and rich in mineral nutrients. Correct answer 1. Acidic and mineral deficient. 64. The temperate deciduous forests have 1. Trees with vines and strangler fig, 2. Shrubs with the height of 3-5 meters, 3. Evergreen FIR and pine trees with 30-40 meters height, 4. Trees of 40-50 meters height with thin and broad leaves. Correct answer 4. Trees of 40-50 meters height with thin and broad leaves. 65. Which biome experiences intense heat and strong wind with a great desiccating action during April-June? 1. Grassland biome, 2. Forest biome, 3. Desert biome, 4. Tundra biome. Correct answer 3. Desert biome. 66. Which one of the following species excretes very concentrated urine and can live in the desert without drinking water? 1. Camel, 2. Nocturnal rodent, 3. Ostrich, 4. Rat-tailed bat. Correct answer 2. Nocturnal rodent. 67. The predominant predatory bird in desert ecosystem is 1. Calotes versicolor, 2. Euromastix hardwicki, 3. Rhacophorus malabaricus, 4. Gyps bengalensis. Correct answer 4. Gyps bengalensis. 68. Which one of the following is a predator of desert locust? 1. Calotes, 2. White-rumped vultures, 3. White scavenger vultures, 4. Loricata. Correct answer 1. Calotes. 69. In Indian grassland ecosystem, the biomass peaks in the period between 1. January to March, 2. March to May, 3. September to October, 4. November to January. Correct answer 3. September to October. 70. Loss of water in vapor form from the plant is known as 1. Condensation, 2. Sublimation, 3. Evaporation, 4. Transpiration. Correct answer 4. Transpiration. 71. Biodiversity of a geographical region represents 1. Genetic diversity present in the dominant species of the region, 2. Species endemic to the region, 3. Endangered species found in the region, 4. Diversity of and in living nature. Correct answer 4. Diversity of and in living nature. 72. Among the ecosystems mentioned below, where can one find maximum biodiversity? 1. Mangroves, 2. Deserts, 3. Coral reefs, 4. Alpine meadows. Correct answer 3. Coral reefs. 73. A wide diversity in species composition indicates that ecosystem is 1. Likely to be more stable in the long term, though very new in existence. 3. Very unstable and species may collapse soon. 4. Unstable but has large number of species. Correct answer 1. Likely to be more stable in the long term. 74. Genetic diversity is related to 1. Types of species. 2. Types of community. 3. Diversity in number and type of genes. 4. Distribution and evolution of species. Correct answer 3. Diversity in number and type of genes. 75. Which one of the following diversity is known as the fundamental currency of diversity? 1. Genetic diversity. 2. Species diversity. 3. Ecosystem diversity. 4. Both genetic and species diversity. Correct answer 1. Genetic diversity. 76. Which one of the following has the maximum genetic diversity in India? 1. Tea. 2. teak. 3. mango. 4. wheat. Correct answer 3. mango. 77. Which one of the following is not a major characteristic feature of biodiversity hotspot? 1. Large number of species. 2. Abundance of endemic species. 3. Species under constant threat. 4. Large number of exotic species. Correct answer 4. Large number of exotic species. 78. Biodiversity hotspots are regions of high 1. Productivity. 2. Endemism. 3. Density of flora and fauna. 4. Concentration of alien species. Correct answer 2. Endemism. 79 hotspots are regions of 1. High endemism. 2. Less species richness. 3. Less diversity. 4. Not under constant threat. Correct answer 1. High endemism. 80. Which one of the following areas in India is a hotspot of biodiversity? 1. Sundarbans. 2. Western Ghats. 3. Eastern Ghats. 4. Gangetic Plains. Correct answer 2. Western Ghats. 81. About 2/3 of India's endemic plants are confined to 1. The Indian desert. 2. The Himalayas. 3. The islands. 4. The Western Ghats. Correct answer 4. The Western Ghats. 82. Which one of the following animals is found only in Western Ghats? 1. Barking deer. 2. Malabar grey hornbill. 3. Sloth bear. 4. Wild buffalo. Correct answer 2. Malabar grey hornbill. 83. Which one of the following biogeographic zone covers the largest area in India? 1. The Himalayas. 2. The Deccan Peninsula. 3. The Gangetic Plain. 4. The coasts. Correct answer 2. The Deccan Peninsula. 84. Which of the following animals are exclusively found in Brahmaputra Valley? 1. Chinkara. 2. Rhinoceros. 3. Lion-tailed macaque. 4. Hobra bustard. Correct answer 2. Rhinoceros. 85. Which one of the following is not true about India as a mega biodiversity country? 1. India has 10 biogeographic regions. 2. India is one of the 12 centers of origin of cultivated plants. 3. India has 6 hotspots out of 34 global biodiversity hotspots. 4. India has 2 major realms and 3 biomes. Correct answer 3. India has 6 hotspots out of 34 global biodiversity hotspots. 86. Which one of the following is an example of selective destruction of species? 1. Passenger pigeon. 2. Great Indian rhinoceros. 3. Salmon. 4. Seagulls. Correct answer 1. Passenger pigeon. 87. Which of the following is not a part of conservation projects of endangered species? 1. Crocodile. 2. Camel. 3. Elephant. 4. Lion. Correct answer 2. Camel. 88. Steady rehabilitation of the great Indian rhinoceros was hampered because 1. Enough food was not available in the habitat. 2. Of difficult climatic conditions. 3. Of the rinderpest disease. 4. Of competition with other animals. Correct answer 3. Of the rinderpest disease. Nawasi insecticides, particularly DDT, led to the reduction of population of 1. Marine fish. 2. Deer. 3. Rats. 4. Birds. Correct answer 4. Birds. 90. The problem of invasive species is likely to increase due to 1. Climate change. 2. Mining. 3. Desertification. 4. Heavy rain. Correct answer 1. Climate change. 91. The weed which causes enormous damage in fish and rice crop is 1. Water hyacinth. 2. Congress weed. 3. Golden apple snail. 4. Mesquite. Correct answer 3. Golden apple snail. 92. Alien species which is known to cause skin allergies is 1. Prosopis juliflora. 2. Ectopistes migratorius. 3. Parthenium hysterophorus. 4. Eucalyptus citriodora. Correct answer 3. Parthenium hysterophorus. 93. Which of the following is not an invasive species in India? 1. Water hyacinth. 2. Congress grass. 3. Prosopis juliflora. 4. Neem tree. Correct answer 4. Neem tree. 94. Which one of the following is an example of in situ conservation? 1. National parks. 2. Zoological parks. 3. Captive breeding. 4. Fostering. Correct answer 1. National parks. 95. Which one of the following is not an ex situ conservation of biodiversity? 1. Seed bank. 2. National parks and sanctuaries. 3. Botanical gardens. 4. Zoological parks. Correct answer 2. National parks and sanctuaries. 96. Seed bank is the example of 1. Ex situ conservation. 2. In situ conservation. 3. Captive breeding. 4. In vitro technique. Correct answer 1. Ex situ conservation. 97. Artificial insemination has been useful for conservation of 1. Snakes. 2. Lizards. 3. Elephants. 4. Ducks. Correct answer 3. Elephants. 98. The fostering technique has been used to conserve 1. Elephant. 2. Cheetah. 3. Whooping crane. 4. Angus cow. Correct answer 3. Whooping crane. 99. In AIM-AB program run by UNESCO, AIM-AB stands for 1. Man and the biodiversity. 2. Mankind and the biosphere. 3. Man and the biosphere. 4. Mankind and the biodiversity. Correct answer 3. Man and the biosphere. 100. Buffer zone plays a significant role in the preserved areas. Which one of the following is not an important function of the buffer zone? 1. It provides jobs and income without any ill effect on species. 2. It provides transition into the unmodified natural habitat in the core. 3. It permits for moderate recreational forestry. 4. Hunting is permitted in this zone. Correct answer 4. Hunting is permitted in this zone. 101. Which one of the following is a use value of biodiversity? 1 ऑप्शनल वैल्यू, 2 बिक्वेस्ट वैल्यू, 3 एग्जिस्टेंस वैल्यू, 4 एस्थेटिक वैल्यू। करेक्ट आंसर 1 ऑप्शनल वैल्यू। 102. Which one of the following is not an indirect use value of biodiversity? 1 एस्थेटिक वैल्यू, 2 बिक्वेस्ट वैल्यू, 3 नॉन कॉन्सम्प्टिव वैल्यू, 4 कल्चरल एंड रिलीजियस वैल्यू। करेक्ट आंसर 3 नॉन कॉन्सम्प्टिव वैल्यू। 103. Which of the following statements about the biodiversity in India is correct? 1. The desert areas of Gujarat and Rajasthan have a very high level of desert animal species as well as numerous rare species. 2. Large-scale planting of Bt cotton has no adverse effect on biodiversity. 3. Western Ghats have a very high degree of species richness and endemism. 4. Conversion of biodiversity is just a fad push. Correct answer 3. Western Ghats have a very high degree of species richness and endemism. 104. Which one of the following statement about biological diversity in India is not correct? 1. India is one of the 12 centers of origin of cultivated plants. 2. India has 12 biogeographical regions. 3. 4 biodiversity hotspots are found in India and its neighboring countries. 4. India has 26 recognized endemism centers. Correct answer 4. India has 26 recognized endemism centers. 105. Which one of the following species is highest in number in the biodiversity? 1. Plant, 2. Animal, 3. Fish, 4. Insects and microorganisms. Correct answer 4. Insects and microorganisms. 106. Which of the following is a renewable resource? 1. Coal, 2. Petroleum, 3. Forest, 4. Natural gas. Correct answer 3. Forest. 107. Which one of the following is a non-renewable resource? 1. Wildlife, 2. Water, 3. Mineral deposits, 4. Forest. Correct answer 3. Mineral deposits. 108. How much water on the earth is readily accessible for human use? 1. 0.5%, 2. 1%, 3. 2%, 4. 3%. Correct answer 2. 1%. 109. What percentage of global fresh water is available in liquid form? 1. 5, 2. 10, 3. 15, 4. 20. Correct answer 2. 10. 110. Which of the following has maximum percentage of availability of water? 1. Rivers, 2. Lakes, 3. Atmospheric water, 4. Groundwater. Correct answer 4. Groundwater. 111. An aquifer is 1. The boundary between the saturated zone and unsaturated zone in rocks. 2. A layer of rock through which water percolates down. 3. The gap in the soil which is filled with air and water. 4. The gap in the soil which is completely filled with water. Correct answer 4. The gap in the soil which is completely filled with water. 112. The average salinity in sea water is about 1. 2.5%, 2. 3.5%, 3. 4.5%, 4. 5.8%. Correct answer 2. 3.5%. 113. The total salt content in fresh water is 1. Below 3%, 2. Below 1.5%, 3. Below 2%, 4. Below 2.5%. Correct answer 2 below 1.5%. 114. Which one of the following is not a traditional water management system in India? 1. Johads. 2. Bamboo drip irrigation. 3. Sprinkler irrigation. 4. Kuls. Correct answer 3. Sprinkler irrigation. 115. Ravine is formed due to 1. Acidic soil. 2. Basic soil. 3. Soil erosion. 4. Soil salinity. Correct answer 3. Soil erosion. 116. Which of the following is not a practice used to prevent soil erosion? 1. Bunding. 2. Kul. 3. Mulching. 4. Soil moisture conservation. Correct answer 2. Kul. 117. The type of soil found in the Deccan Malwa Plateau of western and central India is 1. Black soil. 2. Red soil. 3. Laterite soil. 4. Alluvial soil. Correct answer 1. Black soil. 118. Which of the following soils is best suited for cotton? 1. Red soil. 2. Black soil. 3. Laterite soil. 4. Alluvial soil. Correct answer 2. Black soil. 119. Which of the following is not achieved by addition of manure? 1. Improved cohesiveness of soil. 2. Increase in water retention capacity. 3. Decrease in soil salinity. 4. A more stable aggregate structure. Correct answer 3. Decrease in soil salinity. 120. The most effective treatment of alkaline soil is to apply 1. Urea. 2. Potassium. 3. Sodium nitrate. 4. Gypsum. Correct answer 4. Gypsum. 121. In which of the following do forests not play a significant role? 1. Soil formation. 2. Water conservation. 3. Regeneration of carbon dioxide. 4. Moderation of climate. Correct answer 3. Regeneration of carbon dioxide. 122. Which one of the following is an ecological significance of forest? 1. Providing numerous life-sustaining pharmaceutical products. 2. Wood and bamboo pulps used for manufacturing paper. 3. Checks soil erosion. 4. Supports livelihoods of many tribal communities. Correct answer 3. Checks soil erosion. 123. Which one of the following is an economic significance of forests? 1. Supporting natural ecological systems and processes. 2. Moderation of global climate. 3. Protection of biodiversity. 4. Deriving products to be used as insecticides and pesticides. Correct answer 4. Deriving products to be used as insecticides and pesticides. 124. Which of the following statements related to forest is not correct? 1. It is a major source of carbon sink. 2. It prevents landslides. 3. It is directly responsible for vector-borne diseases. 4. It is the greatest repository of biodiversity. Correct answer 3. It is directly responsible for vector-borne diseases. 125. Which one of the following is not a part of supporting ecological systems and processes function of forest? 1. Checks soil erosion. 2. Improves air quality. 3. Reduces the intensity of cyclones and floods. 4. Acts as a carbon sink. Correct answer 3. Reduces the intensity of cyclones and floods. 126. Which one of the following is a consequence of deforestation? 1. Increase in soil erosion due to reduction in vegetation. 2. Increase in the oxygen liberated by plants. 3. Decrease in carbon dioxide level. 4. Increase in availability of forest product. Correct answer 1. Increase in soil erosion due to reduction in vegetation. 127. Crown fire mostly takes place in which of the following forests? 1. Dense forest. 2. Thorn forest. 3. Savanna forest. 4. Alpine forest. Correct answer 1. Dense forest. 128. It has been estimated that India needs percentage area under forest to meet the ecological and economic needs. 1. 30. 2. 50. 3. 33. 4. 25. Correct answer 3. 33. 129. NTFP stands for 1. New timber based forest product. 2. Non-timber based forest product. 3. Natural timber based forest product. 4. New timber based forest program. Correct answer 2. Non-timber based forest product. 130. Which one of the following is not included in the category of non-timber forest product? 1. Medicinal herbs. 2. Edible flowers. 3. Animal hides and bones. 4. Edible fruits. Correct answer 3. Animal hides and bones. 131. More than half of the energy need of India is met by 1. Oil. 2. Coal. 3. Hydropower. 4. Natural gas. Correct answer 2. Coal. 132. Which of the following areas in India is considered to be suitable for geothermal energy? 1. The northwestern Himalaya. 2. The northeastern Himalaya. 3. The western Rajasthan. 4. The east coast of India. Correct answer 1. The northwestern Himalaya. 133. A biomass gasifier converts 1. Solid fuel to gaseous fuel. 2. Gaseous fuel to solid fuel. 3. Liquid fuel to gaseous fuel. 4. Gaseous fuel to liquid fuel. Correct answer 1. Solid fuel to gaseous fuel. 134. Which one of the following is not a non-conventional source of energy? 1. Atomic energy. 2. Solar energy. 3. Wind energy. 4. Geothermal energy. Correct answer 1. Atomic energy. 135. The most suitable fuel for a fuel cell is 1. Water. 2. Nitrogen. 3. Hydrogen. 4. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer 3. Hydrogen. 136. From which of the following types of sources can energy be harnessed using photovoltaic cell? 1. Wind. 2. Geothermal. 3. Sun. 4. Water. Correct answer 3. Sun. 137. Which one of the following regions in India is the highest producer of mineral oil? 1. Upper Assam. 2. Kambai. 3. Krishna Godavari Basin. 4. Bombay High. Correct answer 4. Bombay High. 138. The largest coal producing country in the world is 1. India. 2. South Africa. 3. China. 4. United States of America. Correct answer 3. China. 139. In India, the first wave and tidal energy project was set up at 1. Vizhinjam in Kerala. 2. Hansthal Creek in Gujarat. 3. Sundarban in West Bengal. 4. Chennai in Tamil Nadu. Correct answer 1. Vizhinjam in Kerala. 140 Urjagram refers to 1. Villages which produce their own required energy resources. 2 villages in which non-conventional alternative system has been installed by government on experimental basis. 3 model villages established to create awareness about judicious use of energy resources. 4. It is not related to energy resources. Correct answer. 2 villages in which non-conventional alternative system has been installed by government on experimental basis. 141. Which one of the following is a non-point source of pollution? A. Runoffs from agricultural fields. 2. Emissions from a power plant. 3. Discharge of effluent waste water from a factory. 4. Municipal waste water discharged in a river. Correct answer 1. Runoffs from agricultural fields. 142. Which one of the following is not a natural pollutant? 1. Pollens and volatile organic compounds from plants. 2. Sulfur dioxides from volcanic eruption. 3. Smog. 4. Particles from wildfires. Correct answer 3. Smog. 143. Which one of the following is a primary pollutant? A. Peroxyacetyl nitrate PAN. 2. Nitric acid. 3. Carbon dioxide. 4. Sulfuric acid. Correct answer 3. Carbon dioxide. 144. Which one of the following is a secondary pollutant? A. Ozone. 2. Carbon dioxide. 3. Carbon monoxide. 4. Sulfur dioxide. Correct answer A. Ozone. 145. Which of the following is a biodegradable pollutant? A. DDT. 2. Paper. 3. Plastic. 4. Mercury. Correct answer 2. Paper. 146. High level of BOD indicates 1. Decreasing levels of organic waste in water. 2. Decreasing levels of sewage in water. 3. Increasing levels of dissolved oxygen in water. 4. Decreasing levels of dissolved oxygen in water. Correct answer 4. Decreasing levels of dissolved oxygen in water. 147. Which one of the following is a measure of oxygen used by bacteria to decompose the organic matter? A. NPN. 2. TDS. 3. BOD. 4. COD. Correct answer 3. BOD. 148. Which method is commonly used to assess the presence of organisms in a water body? A. NPN. 2. DO. 3. TDS. 4. COD. Correct answer A. NPN. 149. Coliform can be detected by conducting A. NPN test. 2. TDS test. 3. BOD test. 4. COD test. Correct answer A. NPN test. 150. The full form of TDS stands for A. Total dissolved substances. 2. Total dissolved solids. 3. Total dissolved solutions. 4. Total dissolved solvents. Correct answer 2. Total dissolved solids. 151. Which one of the following is responsible for depletion of oxygen in water causing harm to aquatic life? A. Detergents. 2. Human sewage. 3. Pesticides. 4. Industrial waste. Correct answer 2. Human sewage. 152. Eutrophication in water bodies is caused by A. Phosphates and nitrates. 2. Sulfates and nitrates. 3. Carbonates and nitrates. 4. Phosphates and oxalates. Correct answer 1. Phosphates and nitrates. 153. Is the phenomenon of increase in the concentration of pollutants from one link in a food chain to another. 1 बायोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, 2 बायोमैग्निफिकेशन, 3 बायोकॉन्सेंट्रेशन, 4 बायोडिग्रेडेशन। करेक्ट आंसर 2 बायोमैग्निफिकेशन। 154 द स्टैंडर्ड लेवल ऑफ RSPM इज 1 60 माइक्रोग्राम्स पर क्यूबिक मीटर, 2 70 माइक्रोग्राम्स पर क्यूबिक मीटर, 3 160 micrograms per cubic meter, 4 170 micrograms per cubic meter. Correct answer 1 60 micrograms per cubic meter. 155 decibel A dBA measures 1 pitch of the sound, 2 pressure of the sound, 3 pitch and intensity of the sound, 4 pitch and pressure of the sound. Correct answer 2 pressure of the sound. 156 prescribed limit of noise pollution in India is 1 35 dBA, 2 40 dBA, 3 45 dBA, 4 50 dBA. Correct answer 3 45 decibels A. 157 which is not a waste minimization method? 1 process modification, 2 waste concentration, 3 waste segregation, 4 landfill. Correct answer 4 landfill. 158 which one of the following is not a waste minimization method? 1 process modification, 2 waste segregation, 3 recycling of waste, 4 waste concentration. Correct answer 4 waste concentration. 159 which one of the following is not a method of waste minimization? 1 process modification, 2 waste concentration, 3 treatment of waste, 4 waste segregation. Correct answer 3 treatment of waste. 160 which one of the following is not a characteristic of hazardous waste? 1 pungent odor, 2 ignitability, 3 radioactivity, 4 toxicity. Correct answer 1 pungent odor. 161 which is the best method for disposal of hospital and toxic wastes? 1 incineration, 2 dumping at sea, 3 landfill, 4 recycling. Correct answer 1 incineration. 162 which one of the following methods is generally used when many industries and urban areas do not have enough vacant space for disposal of wastes? 1 underground disposal, 2 dumping at sea, 3 incineration, 4 both underground disposal and dumping at sea. Correct answer 3 incineration. 163 the best way to dispose nuclear waste is? 1 incineration, 2 underground disposal, 3 dumping at sea, 4 landfill disposal. Correct answer 2 underground disposal. 164 which one of the following is not a method of disposal of hazardous waste? 1 sanitary landfills, 2 incineration, 3 dumping at sea, 4 underground disposal. Correct answer 3 dumping at sea. 165 which one of the following is not a recyclable waste? 1 glass, 2 metals, 3 medical waste, 4 plastics. Correct answer 3 medical waste. 166 which of the following is a biological treatment method of waste? 1 incineration, 2 solidification, 3 digestion, 4 solution. Correct answer 3 digestion. 167 which one of the following is a physical treatment of waste? 1. Conditioning. 2. Digestion. 3. Composting. 4. Lagooning. Correct answer 1. Conditioning. 168 finer particles in wastewater can be made to settle by using 1. Chlorination. 2. Carbon dioxide. 3. Caustic soda. 4. Hydrogen sulfide. Correct answer 3. Caustic soda. 169 sludge gas largely consists of 1. Sulfur dioxide. 2. Hydrogen sulfide. 3. Carbon dioxide. 4. Methane. Correct answer 4. Methane. 170 Read the below given statements about the single-use plastics and choose the correct options. 1. They clog drains. 2. They harm animals. 3. They cause floods in cities. 4. They can degrade easily. 1, 1 and 2 are correct. 2, 1, 2 and 4 are correct. 3, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. 4. All options are correct. Correct answer 3, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. 171 Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? 1. Carbon dioxide. 2. Methane. 3. Ozone. 4. Chlorine. Correct answer 4. Chlorine. 172 Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? 1. Carbon dioxide. 2. Methane. 3. Sulfur dioxide. 4. Chlorofluorocarbon. Correct answer 3. Sulfur dioxide. 173 Among the following, which one is the major contributor to greenhouse effect? 1. Nitrogen. 2. Oxygen. 3. Argon. 4. Water vapor. Correct answer 4. Water vapor. 174 The ozone layer is present in which of the following ranges of the atmosphere? 1. 0-10 किलोमीटर. 2. 15-50 किलोमीटर. 3. 60-70 किलोमीटर. 4. 65-90 किलोमीटर. Correct answer 2. 15-50 किलोमीटर. 175 Maximum concentration of ozone is found in 1. Troposphere. 2. Stratosphere. 3. Mesosphere. 4. Ionosphere. Correct answer 2. Stratosphere. 176 Which of the following chemicals is responsible for ozone depletion? 1. Sulfur oxides. 2. Carbon monoxide. 3. Chlorofluorocarbons. 4. Nitrogen oxide. Correct answer 3. Chlorofluorocarbons. 177 Which of the following is not true for chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs? 1. They are responsible for ozone depletion. 2. They are used in paints and deodorants. 3. They are stable and remain in lower regions of atmosphere for many years. 4. They are unaffected by UV radiation in upper atmosphere. Correct answer 4. They are unaffected by UV radiation in upper atmosphere. 178 Which one of the following can cause skin cancer and cataract in humans? 1. Ozone. 2. UV radiation. 3. Acid rain. 4. Methane. Correct answer 2. UV radiation. 179 The pH of rainfall was measured to be as per the following at 4 places A, B, C and D. Which place had the acid deposition? 1. A 5.5. 2. B 6.2. 3. C 6.5. 4. D 6.9. Correct answer 1. A 5.5. 180 Which one of the following is not an effect of acid rain? 1. increase in temperature of the Earth's surface. 2. Detrimental effects on crops and forest. 3. Heart and lung problems. 4. Affects aquatic plants and animals. Correct answer 1. Increase in temperature of the Earth's surface. 181. Which of the following is not related to climate change? 1. UNFCCC. 2. IPCC. 3. Kyoto Protocol. 4. Montreal Protocol. Correct answer 4. Montreal Protocol. 182. The main objective of UNFCCC relates to 1. Greenhouse gases. 2. Ozone depleting substances. 3. Biological diversity. 4. Chemical and hazardous wastes. Correct answer 1. Greenhouse gases. 183 Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change IPCC was established in 1. 1982 2. 1985 3. 1988 4. 1990 Correct answer 3. 1988 184 The Kyoto Protocol deals with which environmental issue? 1. Greenhouse gas emissions. 2. Biological diversity. 3. Ozone layer depletion. 4. Persistent organic pollutant. Correct answer 1. Greenhouse gas emissions. 185 Which day is observed as the International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer? 1. 25 मई 2. 5 जून 3. 16 सितंबर 4. 22 दिसंबर करेक्ट आंसर 3. 16 सितंबर 186 The provision for environmental protection in our constitution was in the year 1. 1976 2. 1980 3. 1985 4. 1987 Correct answer 1. 1976 187 Which one of the following articles in the Constitution of India states that the state shall endeavour to protect and improve the environment and safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country? 1. आर्टिकल 51A 2. आर्टिकल 48A 3. आर्टिकल 52A 4. आर्टिकल 47A Correct answer 2. Article 48A 188 When was the Air, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act enacted? 1. 1974 2. 1986 3. 1981 4. 1987 Correct answer 3. 1981 189 The Air, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was amended in 1. 1981 2. 1987 3. 2000 4. 1974 Correct answer 2. 1987 190 The Forest Conservation Act was enacted in the year 1. 1972 2. 1974 3. 1980 4. 1986 Correct answer 3. 1980 191 When was the Wildlife Protection Act enacted? 1. 1971 2. 1978 3. 1975 4. 1972 Correct answer 4. 1972 192 NBA has been set up under the 1. Wildlife Protection Act 2. Forest Conservation Act 3. Biodiversity Act 4. Environment Protection Act Correct answer 3. Biodiversity Act 193 The main function of National Green Tribunal is 1. Effective and expeditious disposal of cases on environmental issues. 2. Effective and expeditious disposal of cases related to civil issues. 3. Frame regulations to control air pollution. 4. Frame environmental laws. Correct answer 1. Effective and expeditious disposal of cases on environmental issues. 194. The principal bench of National Green Tribunal is located at 1. New Delhi 2. Mumbai 3. Kolkata 4. Chennai. Correct answer 1. New Delhi. 195. Which one of the following is not an NBIS center? 1. National Institute of Occupational Health, Ahmedabad. 2. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. 3. Society for Development Alternatives, New Delhi. 4. Industrial Toxicology Research Center, Lucknow. Correct answer 2. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. 196. Basel Convention is largely related to 1. Biological diversity. 2. Hazardous waste management. 3. Ozone depletion. 4. Greenhouse gases. Correct answer 2. Hazardous waste management. 197. Which toxic gas was released from chemical plant during Bhopal gas tragedy? 1. Methane. 2. Sulfur dioxide. 3. Methyl isocyanate. 4. Ethyl isocyanate. Correct answer 3. Methyl isocyanate. 198. The increase in population between 10,000 BC and about 1800 AD coincided with the 1. Growth in agriculture. 2. Industrial revolution. 3. Large-scale immigration. 4. Decrease in death rate. Correct answer 1. Growth in agriculture. 199. Projected world population by 2100 would be 1. 11.2 billion. 2. 10.2 billion. 3. 12.2 billion. 4. 13.2 billion. Correct answer 1. 11.2 billion. 200. Which one of the following diseases cannot be regarded entirely as genetic? 1. Thalassemia. 2. Hemophilia. 3. Schizophrenia. 4. Sickle cell anemia. Correct answer 3. Schizophrenia.